riuma itua riria riigwetereirwo ni Akenya na njira nene na riria riuma ria bata hari mwerekera wa kiuteti wa bururi uyu. Itua ria muthia ria majaji rirandikirwo ni majaji atandatu thutha wa Mohamed Ibrahim kurwara na gukoma thibitari. Akianirira itua ria majaji aria aige, jaji munene David Maraga nioigire mahitia maria maronekanire hindi ya utari wa kura githurano-ini kinene nikionereria IBC niyagararire gatiba na uguo maumirira magiriire gukanjwo.
A declaration is hereby issued that the presidential election held on 8th August 2017 was not conducted in accordance with the Constitution and the applicable law, rendering the declared results invalid, null, and void. Number 2, a declaration is hereby issued that the third respondent was not validly declared as the president-elect, and that the declaration is invalid, null, and void.
Majaji ana aria maigwithaniirie ati maumirira ma githurano makanjwo ni hamwe na jaji munene David Maraga, munini wake Philomena Mwilu, Isaac Lenaola na Smokin Wanjala. Ona kuri uguo majaji Njoki Ndung'u na Jackton Ojwang ni mareganire na itua ria aria aige, makiuga gutire na uira muiganu kuonania IBC ni yagararire gatiba na watho wa ithurano. Majaji aya eri mogereire ati mahitia manini maria monekanire matikinyaniirie gikiro gia gutuma githurano gikanjwo.
Challenges are to be expected during the conduct of any election. However, those challenges that occurred in this instance, and in my opinion, none occurred deliberately or in bad faith, and all fell outside the remit of the voter, and his or her will ought not to supplant the voters' exercise of their right of suffrage. In summary, therefore, I respectfully disagree with the decision of the majority, and in accordance with Section 26(2) of the Supreme Court Act,
hardly any conclusive evidence has been adduced in this regard, which demonstrates such a manifestation of irregularity as to justify the invalidation of the election results.
Ona kuri uguo majaji aya nimoigire uira uria mari naguo ni wonanitie mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ndari na mahitia o mothe ta mundu kiumbe githurano-ini kinene. Ona thutha wa majaji Njoki Ndung'u na Jackton Ojwang kuregana na itua ria aria aige, ni baranginyo hari kamiti ya ithurano bururi-ini na Akenya aria megwikora kampeini-ini ihinda-ini ria mieri iri yukite. Handu-ini ha Kimemia TV kuma igoti ikaru guku bururi-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.